Welcome to Gotchscape Entertainment. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to join and get started. First, head over to our official website on www.gotchscape.com. Click Sign Up Now or log in to access the distribution platform. To register, you can either enter your email and password or quickly sign up with your Google account for instant access. To create an account is 100% free. If you signed up with your email, check your inbox for a confirmation message and click the link to verify your account. If you used Google, you're good to go. Next, complete your full profile. Add your official name, nationality, contact details, ID number, and choose your payment method. Next, choose a package that fits your needs. Gotchscape offers free, advanced, premium and label packages, each with different distribution and marketing benefits. Now, access your Gotchscape dashboard, your control center for everything. Here you'll manage payments, view analytics, submit music, and update your profile. Click the Releases tab, upload your track details, cover art, and audio file. Submit for approval and you're live. For any inquiries, you can always reach out to us and let us keep the music playing. Call us on 0104 624 190. Send us an email on info@gotchscape.com or visit our website at www.gotchscape.com.
Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell.
Follow us on all social media platforms. Our username is @Gotchscape.